In this video, we shall discuss about the solution of homogeneous differential equation and linear differential equation. Now, an equation is given x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy is equal to 0. How can we check that this equation is an homogeneous equation? You see, in these two terms, this term and this term, in these two terms, what is the degree here? 2. The degree of x is 2 and degree of y is 2. So, ultimately the degree is 2, and in this term the degree of x is 1 and degree of y is 1. So, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So, the degree of x and y in these two terms are equal. Okay. So, it will be a homogeneous equation. How can we check? So, if we arrange this given differential equation, it will be dy dx equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. Let f of xy is equal to this one, x square plus y square by 2xy. Now, f of tx comma ty, that means we have to replace this x and y by tx and ty. By calculation, it will be x square plus y square by 2xy. That means this given function, that is f of xy. That is, if f of tx comma ty is equal to f of x comma y, then it will be known as, the given equation will be known as homogeneous equation. Now, how to solve it? To solve homogeneous equation, we have to put y equal to vx. Now, differentiating both sides with respect to x, it will be dy dx is equal to v plus x dv dx. So, this equation will become, instead of dy dx we have to write v plus x dv dx, and instead of y we have to write vx. So, v plus x dv dx is equal to x square plus v square x square by 2x into vx. Now, taking common x square in the numerator, it will be eliminated with the x square of the denominator. So, it will be, and changing the side of v, it will be x dv dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. By calculation, it will be 1 minus v square by 2v. Now, change separation of variable. Using the separation of variable, the next line will be 2v dv by 1 minus v square is equal to dx by x. Now, integrating both sides, taking this 1 minus v square is equal to t, then it will be minus 2v dv equal to dt. It will be, the integration will be log mod minus log mod 1 minus v square, okay, equal to log x minus log c. C is the integrating constant here, okay. Then by calculation, the required solution of the given homogeneous differential equation will be mod x minus y square by x is equal to c. Another problem, it is given dy dx equal to y minus x by x plus y. So, it is also a homogeneous equation, homogeneous differential equation. So, putting y equal to vx, differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy dx will be v plus x dv dx. Putting the value of dy dx and y, that's are v plus x dv dx and vx respectively, we will get, this equation will be this one, okay. Taking x common from the numerator, which will be also from the denominator, these two x will be eliminated. So, this right hand side will be v minus 1 by 1 plus b, and changing the side of this b to the right hand side, that will be minus b. Then by calculating, and we will get, this 2b will be eliminated, that is minus 1 minus b square by 1 plus b. Now, by the separation of variable, 1 plus b by 1 plus b square dv is equal to dx by x minus in front of this left hand side. Now, integrating both sides, we will get this expression, Okay. So, this is the solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Next, we shall learn to solve linear differential equation. Before we solve linear differential equation, we should know what are linear differential equation. The standard form is dy dx plus py is equal to q, or dx dy plus px equal to q. Here in this first equation, this p and q are either function of x or constant term, and in the second equation dx dy plus px is equal to q. In this equation p and q are the function of y or constant terms. So, to solve linear differential equation, we have to find the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? By this factor, by this value, we have to multiply both sides of this linear differential equation. Here the integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx, and for this equation the integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dy. Okay. A linear differential equation is given dy dx minus y tan x equal to minus 2 sin x. So, what is the integrating factor here? E to the power minus tan x dx. It will be e to the power log cos x, that is cos x. Now, we have to multiply this cos x to both left hand side and to the right hand side. Then it will be cos x dy minus y sin x dx equal to minus sin 2x dx. Now, integrating both sides, we will get y cos x equal to cos 2x by 2 plus constant, which is the required solution of the given linear differential equation.